everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. I just wanted to come along and show you guys AliExpress last order that I received from them. And you guys, I was so excited that they finally put the cupcake out. Yay. So I was so excited. And I was really surprised when I ordered it. Didn't have additional shipping cost or anything. I don't know, maybe it was a glitch in their computer or something. So I was so excited to get that. And then I also got this one. This one is actually like a little gable box, I want to say. And then you can make this into a little house and everything. And it just has, I believe it has Easter. I believe it was Christmas. It has items in there. But yeah, I was so excited to have found that. And then you guys, I did want to apologize to Maria. Maria, I did receive your little package and I just had not had time to record it. So this one comes from Maria Reyes. And I am assuming that this is a thank you for hosting a challenge that me and Brenda from Brenda's Creations. Oh my goodness, Brenda, I forgot. You put me on camera and I forget everybody's name. So I'm assuming that's what this is. So thank you, Maria, for thinking of us. And, you know, that's very generous. It is not, it's not, what is it called? It's the hostess that's supposed to be sending you, not the creator. So, oh my goodness, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. So the theme was for Brenda and tongue-tied. For the swap that me and Brenda hosted was a coffee sleeve with a ATC, a mini pocket loaded, like the long mini pocket loaded, oh my goodness, letter. Oh my goodness, I forgot what it's called. Oh my goodness. And it just had, you know, some little things. And so thank you so much, Maria. So look at, so it's Hey Darling, and I'm not too sure what paper collection this is, but it is cute. And so, oh my goodness. Oh, so here's her ATC. How cute is that? Travel more, worry less. Oh my goodness. And of course, she is Maria Reyes, and on Instagram and YouTube she is Pretty Crafty, and she did put her address, but I am gonna go ahead and show. Oh, hopefully that focuses in some eventually. No. I'll link her down in the description below, you guys. Her birthday is January the 23rd, and of course she loves dogs, coffee, shopping, and crafting. And her favorite collections are Maggie Holmes and stickers and paper crafting. So how cute is that? And then she, oh my goodness, did you make this? Oh, how cute is this? Oh, did she make this? How cute. I have some of these and I still have not. I mean, I have stuff in mind that I want to create and I still have not had time. So, oh, how cute is this? And it's causing creative ideas in my cabeza. So yeah. And then she sent this, oh my goodness, mini pocket. Yeah, it's a mini pocket. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. I can't remember what it's called. This is stuck in here. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to be stuck. I'm just going to leave it as is. I honestly cannot unstick it. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So, yeah. So I can see there's items in this one. So, how cute. Love this Scooby collection. And it feels like velvet, like vinyl, not velvet, vinyl stickers. So thank you so much, Maria, for these. I'm just going to put these over here on this end, so that way I don't have to dig on that. And then she sent some pieces of ephemera with, oh, how cute. Let me see. Very cute. Oh, and this one right here. Oh, how cute is that? Love the writing, the wording on it. Cute. There you go. And then here is her loaded coffee sleeve, and then here is her card. Thank you very much. I love this card. Thank you so much for hosting a fun swap. I had so much fun creating everything. Your crafty friend, Maria Reyes. Pretty Crafty on IG and YouTube. Love this. Look at that lining. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Maria, for sending this. You did not have to send this, but we really appreciate it. I know I saw Brenda's video and I was like, oh, I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't opened Maria's yet. So anyways, but I didn't see what you gave her. So anyways, how cute. I love this. This is so, so cute. Again, thank you, Maria, and I will put this in this envelope so that way I don't lose it. So you guys, I will link her down in the description below. You guys go over, check her out. And again, everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch. We will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.